Hey, it's Nicole at Darn Good Yarn. If you're looking for a quick little project to keep yourself sane, I'm hanging out with Anna right now. I have these cute, really adorable cross-stitch projects. Here's what I like about them. They're really small and you'll get them done in like an hour or two. And it's nice because you just put them down, still play with your kid, but you still get a little bit of your craft on. So each kit, like I'm going a little overkill. I have my own small hoop, but you don't need a hoop to do these projects. They're so they actually are so small. They're maybe like 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. It comes with everything you need though. It has a nice little finishing hoop, so when you're done you can mount it and glue it in, and you can hang it like, you know, in a guest bathroom or something. And then it comes of course with all the thread that you need, a needle, like that's it. So it's really a great little project. We have a lot of cute designs. The pineapple has been really popular, but enjoy yourself. You can have a glass of wine with this. Easy crafting and all in one. Talk to you soon. Bye.